Watch a few simple stitches turn into this pretty coin charm anklet. The charms are crocheted right in, so you don't have to sew them on. For this anklet, I'm using cotton yarn and a 1.75mm crochet hook. Let's start with the first tie. Chain 30. Keep your chains even and slightly relaxed. That will help the tie stay nice and flexible. Before moving on, double-check your count. You should have 30 chains. Once you have 30 chains, slip stitch into the 5th chain from the hook. This forms a small starting loop. Chain 3. Now turn your work. Into the small chain loop, work 1 double crochet. Chain 2, then work 2 more double crochets. The chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, so you have 2 double crochets on each side. Now for the detail, that makes this anklet special. Now let's add the first coin charm for a little extra sparkle. Choose coin charms in any size you like, as long as they're lightweight. You can find them at yarn shops, craft stores, or jewelry supply shops. After the 2 double crochets, chain 1. Slide your hook through the small opening at the top of the charm. Pull up a loop, then complete 1 single crochet to secure it. Chain 1, and turn your work. Into the chain 2 space, work 2 double crochets, chain 2, then work 2 more double crochets. And that completes the next shell. Keep an eye on that center chain 2 space. The next shell goes right into it. Chain 3. Turn your work. Into the chain 2 space, work 2 double crochets, chain 2, then work 2 more double crochets. Pause here for a moment and make sure both sides look nice and even. Chain 1. Pick up the next coin charm and add it the same way. Insert your hook through the small opening at the top, then pull up a loop. Complete 1 single crochet to hold the charm securely in place. Chain 1, and turn your work. Into the chain 2 space, work 2 double crochets, chain 2, then work 2 more double crochets. Repeat 1 shell row without a charm, then 1 shell row with a charm. Once you get the rhythm, the rest goes quickly. Chain 3. Turn your work. Continue this 2-row repeat, adding 1 coin charm every other row until the band fits comfortably around your ankle. Keep track of that center chain 2 space. Every new shell goes right into it. Check the band around your ankle as you go, and stop when the length feels comfortable for you. The written pattern is linked below if you'd rather follow the steps at your own pace. You're doing really well. Just keep following that same simple repeat. "11 charms gave me the right fit. Adjust the count to fit your ankle." After adding the last coin charm, chain 1 and turn your work. Into the chain 2 space, work 2 double crochets, chain 2, then work 2 more double crochets. This final shell gives the center section a clean finish. Chain 1. Turn your work. We started with a chain tie, so we'll make the same one on this end. We started with 30 chains, and 5 were used to form the first loop. For the second tie, chain 25. Slip stitch into the next 2 double crochets, one at a time. Slip stitch once more into the chain 2 space. Now, chain 25. Use the same tension as you did for the first tie, so both sides finish at the same length. 25 chains. Make sure this tie is the same length as the first one. After the last chain, cut the yarn, leaving a short tail. Pull the tail through the final loop, then tighten it to fasten off. To finish the ties, you can add small beads or any lightweight embellishments you like. I'm adding a small wooden bead to the end of each tie. Choose something lightweight so the ties still hang nicely. Before you finish, make sure both ties are the same length. What color would you choose for this anklet? Let me know in the comments. The ties are finished, and your anklet is ready to wear or give as a handmade gift. Try different yarn colors and coin charms to make it your own. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. If this tutorial helped, give it a like, subscribe for more quick crochet projects, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.